Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
I get a call. Look, when they do like this and they say, you want job? You want job? In Katawaji, ladies and gentlemen, here is Ajele.
That's all right. Thank you.
Ajele, I'll send this job to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you all will understand when we say that it is not easy for a brand to stand the test of time. For a brand that was relevant in my these days, for a brand to still relevant in my adult life, and I'm very sure that this brand will also continue to be relevant when I start giving birth to children. Ladies and gentlemen, how will all put their hands together for our husband? How will put their hands together, ladies and gentlemen? Come on. Thank you very much. I have my fathers in the house, obviously, but then I would like to use the opportunity to welcome one time our very own legend in this friend. They are talking about the value of the whole universe. Ladies and gentlemen, let's celebrate in the house. Come on, they want to hold us together, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we just come on.
Who would like to inform you, ladies and gentlemen, Ọlọ́run la fi bẹ̀ yín, especially for those of you that park your cars outside. We know that we are here to celebrate with our very own, but there is a way we do things. For example, ladies and gentlemen, for all the women in the house, gbogbo obìnrin tó wà níbí láṣálẹ́ yìí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, if at one point or the other you came close to the stage as a woman or as a young lady, please kindly check your eyes if you are looking for one of your eyelashes. Ìkọ́nilẹ́lẹ́bí. Èwo ni kan àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bá ti eyelashes ń sọ àbí wàhálà wà. Obìnrin. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in for a great time and it's going to be fun all the way. Kabiyesi. Okay. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know, Ashake is on his way. He's on his way to Oshogbo. A big shout out, ladies and gentlemen, to my father in the house. I am talking about no other than Are Bashir Fakorede. I celebrate you, sir. Kazim Owolabi, I celebrate you, sir. And of course, Uncle Razak Kanimodo, I celebrate you, sir. And of course, Uncle Larry Ibrahimo, I celebrate you, sir. Engineer, by the way. Hey, yo, DJ Ring sound, let's go. Just raga. Go. Let's get. Fancy G, let's go. Put this on there. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll also tonight. Here we go, Malaika. Zit. Raga. Let's get. Here we go. Do you read? Sound it. Yeah, I see. Here we go now. Cool that shit. Raga. Here we go. Let's go. Yo, let's. Follow me. Let's go.
Let me get this thing. I want to find my love, wait. Rocka! What's your shit? Yo, everybody, let's go. Come on. Listen, loving you, baby. Everybody, I want to flex my love. I want to shake. I want to call you my love. Wait. Should we go there? Everybody, Time to go ahead. Yo, just I see. Shake.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.